In this part, I will show you how to set up the fader. First of all, unlock the panel. Then press set. Our digital is finishing. Our fader runs on 24-hour schedule. You can press up set. You can press increment and decrement button to find the hour. I choose 3 for the hour. Then press set to see minute digital is flashing. Choose 15 for a minute. Press set again to see hour. So then the minute, the hour, then the current time is set. The unit moves to mirror setting mode. Our digital is flashing, so is the number icon. For reference, I will choose the smallest number. I choose 0 for the hour. Press set again to see. Then the minute digital is flashing. I choose 1 for the minute. Press set again to see. Then it moves to the second mirrors. I choose 0 for the hour. Press set again to see. 2 for the minute. 3 for the minute. 4 for the minute. So now there are 4 icons for mirrors, for mirror plans. If you want to cancel one of them, just find the mirrors and set the time to 0 sharp. I choose the mirror one for example. Now you can press set button for 3 seconds to exit setting. Now there are 4 icons, but actually only 3 mirror plans. But if you set 0 sharp before exiting the setting, there won't have any icons there. Now time to record a mirror code for your part. Press record button and speak to MIC indicator. This button will flashing and the upper right on the display will have a bear icon. A release when you finish. Now press record button and listen. This button will flash and the upper right on the display will have a bear icon. If you want to update your voice message, just repeat these steps. Next step, fill the tray. Press top cover lock and pull up to open. You can place the mirrors in this slot. Every compartment has 240 milliliter capacity. One more suggestion: don't overload. If some of you want to reprogram mirror plans and voice message at the same time, you can first unlock the panel, press set button. Our digital is flashing, then press record button. Now your mirror plus and the icons is disappearing. Then you can set your plans.